All right, I'm trying this again. Driving from Big Fork to Duluth. Here we are blasting through Big Fork. I clean the glass inside and outside. There's a little bit of a reflection on the bottom, but I think it looks cool. I liked how the clouds turned out this time. Southbound on Highway 38. It's a really squirrely road. It's a lot of fun to drive. So I was going to meet a friend at a movie and then hike along the lake shore. And then I drove back that same night. All right, we are coming into Grand Rapids, Minnesota here. Just past the school and convention center on the right. Highway 38 tees into Highway 2 right here at the Blandin Paper Company, owned by UPM. And then we are going to head out of town and continue on Highway 2. Every once in a while, you get a huge oversized load truck carrying a wind turbine blade. I was hoping we'd see one on this trip, but no dice. And we're out, heading to Swan River. That motorcycle that just passed me had me wishing I had a back camera too. He was just so squirrely to get by. He was doing little wheelies and kind of wagging back and forth, and I don't know, he really had to go. Figured he had to go to the bathroom, but he didn't stop at the gas station. The clouds were just perfect today. I love the parallax effect of the sky versus the horizon and the trees. We're heading towards the lake, and it looks like we're heading towards the clouds. So for road trip videos, what do you guys think? Silence? Music? A little bit of both? I'm not sure. I like it both ways. So heading into Duluth via Herman town, I stopped at this Barnes& and Noble parking lot. I was thinking I wanted to go in and get a book or two, but then I realized I didn't want to spend any money, and if I had any extra time, I could just go walk along the pier, which is exactly what I did. So we're going to head down this hill, Miller Trunk Highway, which I think is 53, and you can start seeing the lake here. This is my favorite part. We just dip, boom, Lake Superior. It's hard to tell how steep that hill is on video, but it's incredibly steep. All right, parked in this lot and went and checked out the William Irving, which is that huge boat. All right, so the drive home, I wasn't sure what we'd actually see. The moon was really cool, and I pulled over and started filming because I saw a bear cross the road. I don't think the camera would have picked it up, black bear on black asphalt, but it was pretty cool. Later I saw a coyote also, but I didn't see it picked up by the camera. There were a few foggy patches that I drove through, and that didn't really pick up either, but oh, there's some. It's just kind of hypnotizing to see. I did this drive just all the way straight through. I was gonna stop and get gas or get some caffeine, but nothing was open, which was just fine. It's kind of fun to settle in and drive.